Python Regex. I'm in a trouble. Hello, world. I'm in a Regex trouble. I'm using a HTTP API for searching Italian trains that give me those informations, for example. Format. Until there were few requests, all it's okay, because I need only one information, S01325. But when users began to grow, I discovered that there may be two trains with the same numbering. For example, the train 612 can have two numerations. In fact, the API gives me. When, using earlib.request module, I try to read this, I get. I need have two list variables. I must use Regex, true? I never used Regex, so I don't know what I must do. I searched on Google and on the wiki's docs. But I don't found, 404, the solution of this problem. Obviously the Regex expression must works for all cases, for example. Give me. Another example. Give me. Thanks very much for reading. I hope I was clear. Have a good day. Marco. P.S. Link to the Italian docs.
I must use regex, true. Not true. I think a better solution is to parse each line into tokens and assign them to sensible variables. You need a solution that is less about string primitives and regex, more about objects and encapsulation. I design a REST API that let me query for trains easily and return the response as JSON objects.
You don't need regular expressions, actually. You can use them though. There's a rather simple pattern in your information. So let's look at what happens if you do. So now you have the first part of what you want. The second part can then be fixed using something similar. Let's look at. So you can do. And you're done. If you combine all of this together, you should get your answer.
First, you have to convert your byte arrays to str objects. With the examples you provided. Assuming that format is. We don't need any regexes. We can simply split entries by delimiters. Then to see the result. If you don't want your entries to be repeated, if it's even possible, I'd suggest you using sets instead of lists. Check the API documentation. You depend on the format it provides entries in.
You can actually get the data you want in JSON format, making the correct post. For *Trino, station * using the code for Rometta Messinese. And departure.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.